Hello students, once again welcome back. Today we are going to solve the first problem in case of joint venture when separate accounts are maintained. So let us look into the question number 1. Veena and Meena entered into a joint venture sharing PL in the ratio of 3:2. Veena contributed 60,000 and Meena 80,000. The amount contributed by them were deposited in the joint bank account. They bought goods for cash 1 lakh and from Veena 40,000. They paid carriage 7,000, rent 2,000, insurance 3,000 and other expenses 4,000. All the goods were sold for rupees 1,80,000. Prepare necessary ledger account. Veena and Meena entered into a joint venture sharing PL in the ratio of 3:2. So profit sharing ratio is 3:2. That means 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So the profit of joint venture has to be distributed between Veena and Meena in the ratio of 3:2. ಲಾಭವನ್ನು 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Veena contributed 60,000. ನಂತರ ಮೀನಾ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ 80,000. ಇದು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It's called capital. As said in the previous class, in the previous video, all transactions will come at two places. What are the transactions that come at two places? Here in this case, capital. One, it will come in capital account, other is joint bank account. ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ತದನಂತರ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. So capital contributed by the co-venturers will come in two places: co-venturers account, second is joint bank account. The amount contributed by them were deposited in joint bank account. ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಬಂಡವಾಳವನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They bought goods for cash 1 lakh. So total goods bought for cash is 1 lakh. 1 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ goods ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is called purchase. So purchase will come at two places: joint venture account because it is an expense, and joint bank account. So purchase is an expense. So all expenses and incomes are recorded in joint venture account. So 1 lakh will come in joint venture account and joint bank account, because in this case the purchase goods comes in, cash goes out. And from Veena 40,000. So Veena nu purchase madidale. It is not purchased by cash, it is purchased by Veena. So it comes at two places: co-venture account and joint venture account. Cash account alli baralla. Yakendre it is not purchased for cash, it is purchased by Veena. So purchases is an expense, adu joint venture alli barutte, ತದನಂತರ co-venture ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. They paid carriage 7,000 plus rent 2,000 plus insurance 3,000 and other expenses 4,000. So total expenses comes to 16,000. ಒಟ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು 16,000. 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So expenses comes in joint venture account and joint bank account. I stress once again, all transactions will come at two places. So expenses, carriage plus rent plus insurance plus other expenses will come at two places: joint venture account and joint bank account. All goods were sold for 1,80,000. It is called sales. When you sell, goods goes out, cash comes in. So the two account will be joint venture account and joint bank account. Prepare necessary ledger account. ಒಟ್ಟು 3 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದು. ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1 lakh. It indicates purchase by cash. To Veena account, purchase by Veena. So total purchase is 1,40,000. One purchase is by cash, so you write to joint bank. Other purchase is by Veena, so we write to Veena account. Purchase is an expense, so it comes in debit side. Both purchase is an expense, it comes in debit side. To joint bank account, total all 4 expenses 16,000, debit all expenses and losses. Credit card you write by joint bank account. It's a sales. Sale is an income which comes in credit side. Credit all incomes and gains. Thereby you get a profit of 24,000. This 24,000 profit should be distributed to Veena, Meena in the ratio of 3:2. A joint capital account, or we call this co-venturers account antanu helಬಹುದು. Joint capital account athava we can write co-venturers account. First step is by joint bank account. Enidu bandwala, the capital contributed by the partners, by the co-venturers. So as I said, capital contributed by co-venturers will come in 2 places: co-venturers account and joint bank account. 60,000, 80,000. Next, by joint venture account, purchase by Veena. Veena ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ Veena ಈ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಪಾವತಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ credit the giver. So it comes in credit side. As Veena is a payer of this purchase, credit the giver. Next, by joint venture account, profit distribution between 2 co-venturers. So thereby the final answer payable to Veena, final amount settlement to Veena 114,400, 89,600. Next, joint bank account, receipts are recorded in the debit side, payments are recorded in the credit side. To Veena capital, to Meena capital indicates capital brought in by 2 partners. So 2 partners or 2 co-venturers bring capital into business, so cash comes in. To joint venture account, this indicates sales. Marata anta heltivi, it indicates sales. So cash comes in. Debit what comes in? It's a receipt. Credit side by joint venture account indicates purchase by cash. So purchase by cash comes in credit side. By joint venture account, it is called expense. The 4 expenses paid by the firm, so cash is going out. By Veena capital, by Meena capital is a final settlement being done. So final settlement to Veena and Meena comes in credit side. So thereby joint bank account tallies with an amount of 3,20,000. Thank you.